Hey everybody, we've got an update. The drainage has been buried and this is what we've got. There's the pool level and the upper gazebo area, and the wall will come down and join with a parking spot back there. We've got the hi everybody, drain pipe going through, culvert going through, and that's covered up now. This will all be grass. And up here we've got our collection for the water runoff, and there's going to be piping put in because there will be a holding tank up there for the well. So this is the gravel put down. There's going to be concrete over this with brick going back to make the retaining walls that kind of curve all the way around on each one and go back over that way, and then this will all be grassed in there. There will be brick retaining wall that kind of follows the edge of that bank cutout. So that's how far we are now, and we'll keep you guys updated as we make more progress. Bye-bye.